Trying to go viral, then you need the intro that doesn't just look cool, but actually forces people to watch longer and makes the algorithm push your content like crazy. No cap. This is how to do it the easy way. Hit subscribe, like, and open Capcut. Yo, let's go step by step. Type any text of your choice, but I am typing our name Befty here. You can also type your own name too. Use a very bold font and white color. Set the font size to 80. Now you need to add a scale keyframe to the text, so it starts small and ends up covering the whole screen. So go to Video, then Basic, then Scale. Add a keyframe at the beginning and make it 25%, then move to the end and set it to 500%. Then adjust the text on the screen at the last keyframe, so it ends exactly where you want it, like I want this one to end on the F alphabet. Next, get a black background and add it to the text so that it becomes a clip. Then compound clip the text, and the black background, bring in the video background you want and make it main video under the compound clip. Click Remove Background, choose Chroma key, then select the white color and increase intensity to 100. Yo, if you haven't subscribed, please do now. Alright, type any text of your choice. Make it big and very bold, so it almost covers the whole screen. Next, get a black background, change the text color to green. Compound clip the two. Then bring in any video of your choice and add it as the main video with your compound clip as the overlay. Click on the overlay, choose Remove Background, then choose Chroma key and select the green text color. Increase the intensity to make it smooth. Boom! You got to like and share this video now. Crazy, your video plays inside your text. Okay, type any text of your choice and set the length to 5 seconds. I used Poppins Bold font, size 80. Then go to Animation, add Type 2 animation and set the duration to 0.7 seconds. Add a white background, change the text color to green, compound, clip the two. Now it's a 5-second clip. Lay a 5-second video as the main video, with the compound clip as the overlay. Click on the overlay, choose Remove Background, then choose Chroma key and select the green text color. Increase the intensity to make it smooth. At 2 seconds of the compound clip, split it. Duplicate the clip. Click on the top one, go to Mask, then choose Split. Go back to Video to Basic. Add keyframes at the beginning and end of the clip. Leave the first keyframe at default, then go to the ending keyframe and set the Y-axis position to 1000. Now go to the second compound clip, open Mask, and use Split again. This time, rotate the mask tool to 180 degrees. By now, the text should be divided in the center. Then go back to Video, to Basic, and repeat the same process for the second clip. Make sure the keyframes are aligned exactly with the top clip. This time, instead of Y equals 1000, set it to -1000 because the movement is opposite. Remember, positive Y values move upwards, negative Y values move downwards. You're so intelligent, guys. Please subscribe, like, and share this video as we continue. Alright, this one almost takes the same steps as the other one. Get any background video of your choice. It's 100% the same process for the text compound clip, so I'm just going to use the previous text compound clip. Then I'll resize the video to match the overlay, but the difference here in the compound clip is with the mask rotation angle. For the upper compound clip, the split position is X equals -45 and Y equals 0, while rotation equals 90 degrees. Go to the last keyframe. Then under position, put X equals 2029 and Y equals -86. Now for the lower clip, the split position is X equals -79 and Y equals 0, while rotation equals -90 degrees. Also leave the beginning keyframe at default and go straight to the last keyframe. Then under position, put the X value at -1816. But if by now you still haven't subscribed, then even if we bought you a red Lamborghini, you wouldn't hit that subscribe button either. And don't forget to watch other insane tutorials with crazy step-by-step guides you won't find anywhere else, right up here.